up, JC, you bald fraud? You think you can get in my match and screw me? I saw what you did out there. Guess what? I'm not a bullet that you can't dodge. It's on sight, JC Slater. I got you, and I got you in the triple threat with Tanner Rankin. But yeah, I want to win the title, but I want to come for your blood, JC Slater. July 15th, Pat Powers, Patriotic Palooza. I'm ripping your head off, and Tanner Rankin, I'm getting that 5-time championship title around my waist. Yum, yum, get some.